GSG presents White Ink Wednesday.
Welcome to White Ink Wednesday. I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today I want to talk to you about curable reducers. Specifically, we're going to talk about LoBleed Curable Reducer. If you've ever used a LoBleed ink, you know the viscosity of them. It's a little thick, they're a little heavy, they need a lot of stirring, and depending what mesh that you're going to go through, you might want to add reducer. The important thing is, when using a LoBleed ink, you have to use a LoBleed curable reducer. That way it's not going to affect the opacity of the ink, and it's not going to affect the fusion for when you cure that ink. So what we're going to use here is International Coatings LoBleed Reducer. We have 800 grams of LoBleed white ink, and you want to add between 1 and 5% curable reducer to your white. So in this case, we're going to add 2%, which is going to be 16 grams. Now that we have our 16 grams of reducer added in, we're going to go ahead and blend this together. You'll be able to tell right away how it breaks down and lowers the viscosity of the ink, which is going to make it print a lot easier and give you a much smoother print and really clear the screen. Now that we have our ink stirred up, you can see it's really broken that viscosity down. The ink is a lot smoother and it's going to flow very well through the screen. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit GoGSG.com, follow us on social media, and join us next week for another White Ink Wednesday.